Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Printify Publishing Error. Now, I've made multiple videos about this topic exactly, and this is a new update, and I will show you guys all the steps that I know on how you can fix this problem. Now, after you go to your Printify, you will be able to see here Publishing Error, okay? Now, one thing I want you to do is to duplicate this, okay? So what you need to do is you want to click here, this one, as you can see, click on Duplicate, and after that you want now to publish the to publish the new version of this, okay, which is the copy of this. Okay, don't publish this one that says here publishing error, because you already made a duplication of this. Now you just need to publish this. Now click on three options here and then click on publish. Now see if this works. Okay, this is not going to work 100%, but this can help many people. Just click on publish and then just publish this to your store. By the way, if you are publishing this to your Shopify store, make sure it's not password protected. So make sure to go to your Shopify store and click on login. Just log in into your Shopify store. Now after you log in, you will be able to remove the password protection, because like you are not going to be able to publish print on demand on Shopify without removing the password from your own Shopify store. So it's very easy to remove the password. Just click here on online store and then click on preferences. Now after that, you want to scroll down here and then just remove the password. Here, as you can see, it says here password protection, restrict access to visitors with password. Just uncheck this, okay? Just uncheck this one, as you can see. By the way, if you are not paying for if you are not paying for a Shopify plan, it's going to be garbage. You will not be able to click on it. So make sure you uncheck this, and after that you want to click on save, and then, like I said, try again and click on publish and see if this is going to work for you. Another way that can help a lot of people, especially if you are, for example, publishing to, like, for example, TikTok shop, make sure the shipping is only like available to US people, because on Printify there are like multiple like shipping methods. So make sure to select the correct shipping method, which is like US, because on TikTok shop you cannot ship to different countries. So what you need to do to fix this, like on all the like e-commerce websites, just click on need help and then click on help center. Now after that, you want to search here for can't publish. Here you want to search for can't publish, and then next to it you want to enter here, for example, Etsy, for example, and then you will be able to find a lot of people that have the same problem, and then you can just learn from them. It says here, why can't I publish my products to Etsy? Why can't my products be published to Etsy with a retail price error? What is the guidelines for publishing products? You just need to click here, and then you will be able to learn how you can fix this problem. Okay, so by the way, if you are publishing to Etsy, it says here your Etsy store hasn't been activated. If you are having issues with publishing your products to Etsy, it's very likely that your Etsy store hasn't been activated. Ensure you completed all the Etsy steps. Now, by the way, you need to list at least one product on your Etsy shop in order to use Printify and then publish your print-on-demand products into your own Etsy. Okay, so go to Etsy and make sure you upload at least one product before you can use the Printify, and then upload the products from Printify. Okay, the first product is very important on Etsy. Okay. Also here it says you need to renew your Etsy connection token. So your Etsy connection token will expire if you change your Etsy account password. So if you changed your Etsy password, it says here you want to click here where it says renew token. Okay, here your connection token is expired. Please log in into your Etsy. You will be able to see this error. Click on renew token. Okay, if this doesn't work, click on support in the top right and then click contact us, and then you can talk to someone. Click on contact support and then select here the reason, for example, products design, and click on here, for example, like here, click on product request, or you can just select on, you can click on other, and then you want to enter here the subject, and then the description, and then the channel, which like platform you are using. If you are using eBay or Etsy, select it here, and then click on attachment. What is the error? Just send him a screenshot of the error. just take a screenshot or an image, just take a photo of the error, then add it here where it says add attachments, and then click on submit, and then they will get back to you usually within 24 hours. Okay, so I hope this tutorial really helped you. I tried my best to bring value in this tutorial. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next tutorial.